Most people don't fail because they are late. They fail because they are waiting to feel ready. I am 44 and I don't have extra energy. I don't have extra time. And most days I don't even have motivation. But here's the uncomfortable part no one tells you about. Waiting to feel ready is the fastest way to be where you are right now. So this channel isn't about winning fast. It's about showing up even when nothing feels right. I am not here to motivate you. I am not here to tell you that you're special. I am not here to promise you that everything will work out. Most videos start with hope, but this one starts with reality. Because most people watching this, they already know the truth. They feel late. Late in money, late in fitness, late in confidence, late in becoming the person they thought they could be. And the worst part is not being late, it's pretending you are not. So if you click this hoping for a shortcut, you won't find one here. But if you're willing to face the reality, stay. There is a quiet panic most adults carry. They don't talk about it at work. They don't post it online. They don't say it out loud at home. But it shows up at night when the phone is down, when the house is quiet, when there is nothing to distract you. And that voice says, I should have been further by now. I wasted time. I could have done something better. But instead of dealing with it, people try to numb it by scrolling, by comfort, by busyness, anything except action. They think clarity comes first. They think confidence comes first. They think motivation comes first. It doesn't. Time doesn't heal inaction, it exposes it. Every month you wait, the gap gets louder. And that is why the people are stuck in the same loop for years. I am not speaking from theory. I am 44. I have restarted more times I want to admit. New goals, new plans, same mistakes. I have waited a long time to become a different person, but that person never showed up. What showed up instead was reality, bills, health signals, a sense that time is no longer forgiving. But that's when I understood something important. Problem isn't starting late. The problem is starting emotionally. Most people only work when they feel good, when they feel inspired, when they feel hopeful. That's not discipline. That's mood dependency. Discipline is working when nothing feels good, when the progress is invisible, when the results are embarrassing, when no one is watching. That's why consistency feels rare because it requires humility. Everyone wants transformation, but no one wants repetition. Same workout, same routine, same effort, day after day. Boring work is what separates people who catch up from people who just talk about it. No dopamine, no excitement, just forward movement. This channel isn't about success stories, it's about process. Showing up tired, showing up unsure, showing up anyway. I am not ahead of you. I am building in public. If you are rebuilding late, quiet, without applause, you're not alone. You don't need motivation, you need standards. A minimum effort you respect, even on the bad days. That's how people catch up, not loudly, quietly.